Welcome to Unifap Auto Parts Industry. Located in Gaspar, Santa Catarina, Brazil. For over 30 years, we've been manufacturing auto parts with continuous investments in our factory. This dedication makes us a benchmark for quality, always committed to excellence in our products. Our precise technology, continuous employee training, and efficient process management ensure agility in production and product launches. We offer one of the broadest product lines in the sector, making us a top company in the automotive industry in Brazil. Specializing in components for starters, alternators, and ignition systems. We prioritize the respect of the environment in every step of production and have a highly qualified team dedicated to providing solutions with respect and responsibility. Guided by our founders' principles, Unifap stands out in the Brazilian auto parts market, becoming a leader in its segment. Our brand is present throughout Brazil and exported to over 20 countries. Unifap, quality in every piece.